Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing where the file will live and why. If you want persistent storage, mount Google Drive, run from Google. Colab import Drive, then Drive. Mount /content/Drive and follow the auth flow. If you need a quick transfer, open the left Files pane and use Upload. That places files in /content. Once mounted, make sure the runtime type matches your needs, CPU, GPU, or TPU, so subsequent installs and data loads behave predictably. Next, you'll choose the technique based on size and source. For quick local uploads, run from Google. Colab import files, upload. You'll get a dict with file names and content. For web-hosted files use, wget URL or pip install gdown, then gdown drive file ID to pull large drive-hosted files. Once files are in Drive, copy them into /content with CP or use rsync for incremental transfers. These methods avoid browser timeouts and keep your notebook reproducible. Finish by placing files where your code expects them and validating access. Copy from Drive to the notebook working folder or reference the Drive path directly, then load with pandas. Read CSV or appropriate library. Once done, confirm file sizes and sample reads to ensure integrity. If something fails, remount the drive, confirm account permissions, and restart the runtime to clear transient errors. This usually solves path or stay-loth problems. If uploads time out, switch to drive-based transfers or use gdown for stable downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.